Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Vice President Jongkari Amerika ka Kamala Harris kala ai Khublei u Donald Trump halor ka Jingjop jong u ha ka election jet president. Ka Harris kala ong bakan IT de ka Jingsuk ka Borsen Shar ha u Trump banlong u president nakabenta kinong Amerika. Kumjuru u president bementa ka US u Joe Biden ula ai Khublei u Donald Trump halor ka Jingjop jong u bar ula khotru u banukundu ha White House. Ha ka jukapor u Joe Biden ula ru ka Kamala Harris dak bakdaw baga jinga khun jongka ya ka election president kade ka jinga khun ka ba handai kade ka badan nam batsa jingken mau ha ka jingwan phai biang jong u kumu president utram ula job ya baro handu tali ki jela badan ka jinga khun bating ha ka linti ban yo arspa nyo phau tali ki vote election dak ba yo ya ka jing job ha ka bakut ka Harris bat utram ki layalap election dak bating ha ka leng ki jela bajur ka jinga khun handai dei utram ubarala ban job ya ka Michigan, North Carolina, Georgia, Pennsylvania, Arizona, bar Wisconsin. Utrom ula job arspa khandai phuwe ki electoral college vote karba ka Harris kala yo arspa ar phulai. U Donald Trump un sashim smai kum president jongkari Amerika ha ka ar phau tari ukala lingkor aja ar pusan. Kumban shukdo utrom ula long u president ba ar jongka US ban yo byang ya ka Oval Office Hadien ba ula sharam shisien menshwa.
The outcome of this election is not what we wanted. Not what we fought for, not what we voted for, but hear me when I say, the light of America's promise will always burn bright. As long as we never give up and as long as we keep fighting. Now, I know folks are feeling and experiencing a range of emotions right now. I get it. But we must accept the results of this election. Earlier today, I spoke with President-elect Trump and congratulated him on his victory. I also told him that we will help him and his team with their transition, and that we will engage in a peaceful transfer of power. A fundamental principle of American democracy is that when we lose an election, we accept the results. That principle, as much as any other, distinguishes democracy from monarchy or tyranny. And anyone who seeks the public trust must honor it. At the same time, in our nation, we owe loyalty not to a president or a party, but to the Constitution of the United States.